In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend text in Affinity Designer. We'll start right at the desktop. Launch Affinity Designer on your computer so you're inside a new or existing document. If you already have a canvas with some text, great. If not, make sure you've added your text beforehand so it's ready to be shaped. Next, look toward the top left area of the interface and switch to the pixel persona. This is the mode that gives you access to powerful pixel-based tools inside Designer, including the one we'll use to bend text. You'll know you're in the right place when the toolbar on the left shows tools typically associated with pixel editing. Now, click your text on the canvas to select it. You should see selection handles or a bounding box around it, which confirms it's active. It's important to select the exact text layer you want to bend, especially if you're working with multiple layers. If clicking once doesn't highlight the right object, try clicking again directly on the text characters rather than the background. With your text selected, move your cursor to the toolbar on the left and find the Move tool. Right-click on the Move tool. A small flyout menu will appear, revealing additional related tools that are tucked under it. From that menu, choose the Mesh Warp tool. As soon as you pick it, you'll see a mesh overlay appear across your selected text on the canvas. This mesh is your bending grid. To curve the text, gently drag a corner of the mesh. Pulling a bottom corner downward creates a smile arc. Pushing a top corner upward makes an arch. You can also nudge the sides inward or outward to create subtler curves. Small, gradual movements usually give the smoothest, most natural results and help keep your lettering readable. If something looks off, simply undo and try a lighter touch. As you drag, keep an eye on the letter forms. The goal is to distribute distortion evenly so characters don't look stretched or squashed. If you want a more dramatic bend, continue adjusting the corners while making tiny compensating moves along the edges of the mesh to keep the curve balanced. Zooming in can help with precision, especially around delicate letter shapes. When you're happy with the bend, release the mouse and review the overall flow of the text. That's all there is to it. By opening Affinity Designer, switching to the pixel persona, selecting your text, accessing the Mesh Warp tool from the Move tool's flyout, and dragging a corner of the mesh, you can quickly bend text into clean, professional curves.